just our sight. Zooming in and out to see the dark and light. Like map scales changing from regional to wide. Our hearts must find the proper ratio inside. Do not mistake the miniature for the true way of the grand complex world outside your gate. If you only look at a single narrow spot, you miss the connection of the greater plot. But if you stay too far, the details disappear. Find the perfect scale to make the meaning clear. Scale down the world to see the bigger view, but never forget the distortion that is true. For math, scale is the key to find our place in a vast and never unfolding human space. Find the ratio, grasp the design. The truth is hidden between the map and the